just want to do a quick analysis on gold and AUSD, a top-down analysis for you guys. So yeah, as you can see on gold is currently buying. It's on a very high level right now. I didn't trade today because I'm trying to see what the market will do. So yeah, as you can see on my chart, I already analyzed everything that is happening. Gold is currently buying from this level. From this level, it started buying massively and go to this resistance level, which price has currently be able to break. That has currently be able to break this level. So it's already a resistance level already. Now, because price can't break this level, doesn't mean it will just jump on the sell. So I'm just waiting for price to do something for me to see, and I'll be able to jump on this sell. Or if I see a clear buy to the upside aggressively, I'll still join buyers. So that's just it for me for gold. So let's check on EU. On EU, you can see almost the same thing. Price was currently ranging around this level, but it was ranging to the upside. It was ranging to the upside. So it created sort of like a flag on 4 hour time frame to the upside. So it's currently still buying and it got to this resistance level. Now it's selling. So, but I can't just sell from this level because you can see we're on a bullish trend already on the 4 hour time frame. So I'm still waiting for price to give me a clear confirmation on this zone before I sell or I just join buyers. So it's very simple what is happening this week. And what traders are really checking out this week fundamentally is the US data on Tuesday, FOMC minutes on Wednesday, jobless claims on Philippedia, Fed Thursday, and US PMI on Friday. So those are the things traders are checking and waiting. Mostly FOMC. FOMC is the main driver right now. FOMC is the main driver right now. But for gold is already around 4,000. Gold is already around 4,400, supported by the weaker dollar throughout last week. But that doesn't mean we will join the sellers or the buyers here because now it's not giving a clear confirmation. I always like to wait for confirmation before I join any trade, even if I'm following the trend or the price it's on my zone. I still wait for confirmation. So that's just it for this week. What I'm actually checking is the US FOMC. So that's what I'm really checking on. And also, if you trade GBP USD this week, the UK employment and inflation numbers are coming this week. So this could significantly influence the expectation for the Bank of England, and sterling has already been strengthening against dollar because dollar got weak very well last week. So that's why we see gold buying and every other price moving up on the EU and GBP and the gold. So for me, I only focus on EU and gold. So mostly this week, I'm focusing on gold because gold is giving me a clear chart for me to analyze. So that's why I'm focusing on gold. You can see my trend line is already marked. I'm waiting for a movement around this level. Just waiting for price to do something like this. Then I join the sellers, or we just wait for price to just buy aggressively. They will know that yes, we're still on the buy. You understand? So it's very simple. It's very simple. At this level, you just have to wait. And I think price is going to create sort of a liquidity around all this level just to sweep it on Wednesday, which is the FOMC. That's what everybody's just waiting for. So that's just it. I said, let me bring this for you guys to see what I'm looking at this week. So if this was helpful or insightful for you, just let me know in the comment section and just subscribe so you can stay tuned for my next video. Peace, guys.